What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a miracle shower cleaner. No, this is not clickbait. This is actually the best shower cleaner that I have found that just completely removes all this sticky body grease and body oil and soap scum. It removes it really easy, and it's the best shower cleaner I've found, which is saying a lot because I've been cleaning houses and cleaning showers for 17, 18 years. And this product is truly amazing. And no, it's not some DIY nonsense. It's not some homemade concoction. This is an actual product. But like I said, it works amazing. And this stuff right here is super hard to get off. This is like glue. It's really oily and it's just extremely hard to get off. And so I'm going to demonstrate this product for you. So I'm going to take and I'm just going to spray. I'm going to spray this shower floor really well for you. Now after I spray this, I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Now I'm going to take this cup of water I got here. This is just a cup with hot water and a sponge. I'll take you in the shower with me. Take my sponge, it's saturated in water. Put it there. Take my foot. Boom. See how easy that is? That is amazing. I can't tell you how much time I have spent scrubbing this shower in the past, trying to find something that works. See that? Easy. There's lots of good shower cleaners out there, don't get me wrong. There's other stuff that works. But this is just the best shower cleaner I've ever found. Look at this. Boom. Just comes off and melts off like butter. Look at this. And I just let it soak for 5 minutes, that's it. So I've scrubbed the whole floor here, now watch. See the difference? Now look at how white that is. That's perfect. You ain't gonna find any oil or grease on there whatsoever. That's clean. That's gonna make the customer happy. Okay, I'm back at the office now. I have to confess one thing. The reason this product works so well is it is also made for exterior use, like barbecue grills and cars. And so consequently, as a result, the only place I have ever found this product for purchase is at AutoZone. It also can be purchased on Amazon though, and I will leave a link to this product down below for you. But you know how caked on that grease can get on those wheels and on barbecue grills, so this is a heavy-duty degreaser. Because of that, I don't recommend you using this on your shower regularly and routinely. Just use your regular everyday shower cleaner to maintain your shower. You can use the DIY stuff for that. This cleaner is for jobs that have not been done in years, the heavy-duty jobs. If you use this every time you clean your shower, you're just going to waste your money. You ready for the reveal? Here's what it is. Super clean. Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser dissolves grease super easy, super fast.